is finally here. We made it. I lost it. Lost it all. It's cruise day. We are so excited. Let's go. We're running.
Yes. I'm a cruise lady.
You're cruisers.
Cruise lady.
DJ. All right. It's 10:55. Let's see how long it takes for us to get through. Doesn't look too bad though.
It's way small.
Because it's small.
It's smaller. Oh, right. Okay. I'm excited. I don't know what's going.
We just got on the boat. We're gonna go try to find our room, put some of our bags. Put some of our bags by our door. And then go to the muster station.
Like this. This strip in the middle goes around your back and you secure it in front like this. And this one at the back goes between your legs and you secure it again like this.
Want me a burger?
DJ want that all. That's not gonna last.
Be high when the lights out.
Is this burger number one?
Hey, burger number one.
Cause we will still be high when the lights out. We can pretend the time is still. Stay in the daydream.
Daddy, this is your first time going into your cabin. Go ahead, go walk in without the stroller. Walk out without the stroller.
Hey, where you Oh, look at DJ. He in there having a good time.
Yeah, you and DJ call work. Okay, well,
we gotta go down to
guest services.
Oh, you in the room? Family, you ready to see our room? Whoa, DJ. All right, we made it to the cabin. We are 7406. Ready to go in, DJ? We got our cards. This is the exciting part. I can't wait till we get upgraded. All right, you ready? Let's go. Come on. We made it! I'm so excited. You see our decorations?
Mm-hmm.
You like them?
Yeah. I saw him already.
So it wasn't a surprise. I tried to surprise my husband, y'all. And he definitely looked on the account and saw that I had bought these. We have a balcony. Woo! Oh look, we right above the pool. All right, we have officially made it in to our stateroom. DJ, you having fun? We ordered some decorations. We just got married. decided to bring our 1-year-old. The whole family came this time, along with my mom, my dad, my grandma, my aunties, my cousins. Yeah, so we're gonna have a good time. All right, we've unpacked everything. Got everything up. Got some of our hats and DJ stuff. Here's Dad's things, my shoes.
I'm ready to go. Pump up. Yeah, that's right.
You ready for the silhouette party?
Oh yeah, I'm gonna take a nap though.
And some things never change. He's already asleep, y'all. Both of them. So our steward just came by and he's hilarious. His name is Ida. No, his name is Ida, because he told me to call him Idaho. I said, okay. The mega deck party is supposed to start at 3:45, so, but both my men are asleep. I'm going upstairs. I'm going. We gotta go party. We about to go party.
And face it, another day, we go bottoms up.
Before we continue with the party, all right? We need to get this energy high. Who out there is ready for a vacation of a lifetime? Let me hear you make some noise. My name is Jasper, the cruise director from Las Vegas. And in Vegas, we like to get down and dirty, all right? So what I did was, I want to bring it over to Texas and got some crazy shit. Cali.
Look at this. Like, this is why we cruise. This is so beautiful. So beautiful. It's only 5:30. And this is his second nap since we've been on the boat. He is not playing with y'all. All right, just got back from the casino, and yeah, I lost it. I lost all the quarters, gone. But that's okay, because that was quarters I had just been saving up over the year, me and Des. Actually, I think that was my winnings from our last cruise, so it's really not a loss. It's not new money, so I'm definitely gonna go get. I still got more money for gambling purposes because I love my quarter machines. Okay, but yeah. It's about to be, what time is it? It's about to be time for dinner. So we need a shower, get out of these embarkation clothes because it's definitely been a fun day, but a hot and long day. See you at dinner.